sweet and buttery. This corn dish is really easy and quick to prepare. It's a very delicious dish to pair with a main course like chicken or lamb, or you can even have it as a snack on its own. Start with ½ kilo of frozen corn kernels into a heat-resistant bowl. Set the steamer and put on high heat. Steam the corn for about 15 minutes. After that, take out the bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of butter. Mix well until the butter is dissolved while the corn is still hot. A pinch of salt to taste. Mix well. You can also add grated cheese to add extra flavor. Cheddar or Parmesan would be perfect. Add some pepper and it's ready to enjoy.